My friend Carly doesn't know this song at all.
Hi, Jesse.
Never heard it.
Will you do something embarrassing, please?
Or touch over and take the juice on her. That would be funny to
Really, right now? He's going on Facebook.
Please don't go on Facebook because I will kill you.
Do something embarrassing, please.
Again,
Oh, no, don't stop.
Then don't put that video on Facebook.
It's gonna go on Facebook.
But it's eventually.
Then it will be on Facebook.
We'll be on Facebook tonight.
We'll just be great.
Better than me now.
You don't burp better than me.
You want to bet?
Oh, I want to bet. I want to bet. Okay. Just let me. Okay.
I got this.
Okay.
Miss Evans is gonna have to. Go ahead. No. No. Yeah. Oh my god.
Oh, shh.
Come on. Bring it on. Come on.
Just your man. I'm scared. I'm not gonna win. It'll come later. I have to pee now.
You need to leave right now. I'm kidding.
Just a random but.
Okay.